self-cleaning and emptying robot vacuum Roidmi EVA. Around 20 days since I completely cleaned it and changed the pads with a brand new one. So I wanted to show you how it looks after 20 days of only mopping and vacuuming combined nearly every day. So let's start. So the first thing are the mops.
Exit mopping mode.
The last cleaning was yesterday, and as you can see, they are relatively clean. Keep in mind it was 20 days and I use Roidmi EVA nearly every day. Let's look at the bottom. It is completely dry and we see a lot of debris from cleaning the mops. They spin here and these keep them clean by removing the debris. We can lift this up and see what is going. As you can see, the dirty water is going in this direction, and there is a pump which pumps the water in the dirty water tank. From this point, these wider pipes are blowing the air from the vent, which dries the mop on both sides. This is not completely dry, and this is the cleaning tray. So these are 20 days of cleaning, around 20 days. You can check out my uploading date of this video, and you can compare it with my publishing date of previous in-depth review video. And these are used but completely clean mops. They are washed with Persil detergent for white. They're not really white like brand new white, but they are 100% clean. And as you can see, we see that there is some amount of debris, and cloth is not that soft like this clean one, because there is some debris left on these cloth particles, and it makes it feel a bit hard. Not too much, but it definitely needs to be washed in the machine. So as you can see, the difference is now more noticeable. Anyway, like I told you in my main review, changing the pads and cleaning the tray and everything else at least one time per month, it is good enough, and in that way you will avoid chance for something to clog or any other problem with the robot vacuum. Thank you for watching. Leave the comment or question down below, and please subscribe, give me the boost. Thank you, and until next time, see ya.